Hello everyone, welcome to our YouTube channel, My Project Ideas. Today we are going to make lorem ipsum in JavaScript. Let us begin. Let us first see the requirements. You will be requiring an IDE. I'll be using VS Code in this video and some basic knowledge of HTML and CSS to create a beautiful interface. Let us now understand the working of the source code. Here's the HTML file and this is the CSS file and this is my JS file. So in the HTML file, I have attached the CSS file over here in the head tag, and in the bottom of this body tag, I have attached the script. Okay, the JS file over here. Now in the body, you can see I have added the header. Okay, the h1 tag, which is lorem ipsum. This is the application which creates a specified number of words, okay, random words in the text area. Okay, so over here I have provided this div, and this I have styled it. Okay, this is the label, enter number of words. Okay, and beneath that, okay, and beside there is a input tag to specify the number of words, and then there is a button. Okay, on clicking that button it calls this method generate. Okay, I have styled it and given it this generate words. uh, okay, the button will say generate words, and you can see there is a text area. Okay, this was it in the HTML file. Now move to the CSS file. Okay, you can design it in your own way. This is the text area ID is text A. Okay, so I have designed it this way. The h1 tag uh, is designed over here. The buttons are provided with font family and the color. Okay, so you can attach all the properties accordingly. Now let's move to the JS file. Okay, so on upon pressing the button, the generate word. Okay, over here, generate words, this generate method will be called, which is in the JS file. So I have defined it over here. I have taken one variable str. Okay, this is a string. Okay, it's a random string which I have extracted from the online lorem ipsum, and its length is 20. Okay, so what I'm doing over here is extracting this whole in an array. Okay, over here I have created an array, and using this split I have removed all the spaces between. Okay, and stored it in the array. Now this is the final string which is empty for now. Now we are looping it uh, from 0 to the get this document dot get element by id number dot value. Okay, this number you can see over here. Okay, this input. Okay, I have added one input over there which has given an id of number. Okay, so that number value is extracted, the text field value is extracted. Okay, suppose it is 5, so the loop will start from 0 to 5, and it needs to generate 5 random words. So from this array, this str array, it will extract random words. So we are using this math.random, and we need the values the array is of length 20, so we require the indexes of 0 to 19. Okay, so we are multiplying it by 20 and getting the floor value and saving it in this variable x. Now this x is the index, so from this array we are extracting the value. Okay, this x will be the random number between 0 to 19. Now we are storing this value in this final string and then setting the text area value to this string. Okay, okay, this was it. Let's run the program. you can see this is the h1. Okay, let's specify the value 6. Okay, generate words. So this is the sentence. Okay, it has generated 5 words, sorry, 6 words. So the program is working. I hope you understood the working of the code. Thanks for watching. Subscribe to our channel for more interesting project ideas.